have the flight test space fighter. Try to get a flight in today, and we'll see how we do. It should be interesting. We've got safe on it, so hopefully that will help out with our lean to the right. And sun's behind the clouds, so we've got a decent sight. So here we go, launching. Tad nose heavy, but flying okay. Wind's having havoc on it. See if we can get a longer flight than we've had before with the flight test, space fighter. I think 3.5 minutes is the most I've had up. So we're coming up on 3. Whoop. There's 3 minutes. See if we can get a 4th minute, and we'll probably bring her down. I don't think I'm going to try to go for the full 7. It's a little bit chilly out here. I've been out for a while, flying my Turbo Timber Evolution UMX and UMX Consendo. There we go, 4 minutes. Longest flight I've had. Feel like I'm losing altitude here, which probably means I'm losing power. I'm going to bring her down the other end here and bring it in for a landing. Well, we'll do one more lap.
2 minutes.
It's 5 minutes with the plane. Alright, so we'll bring her down and come in from the right. Well, what's now my right. Oop. A little bit strong on the turn there. And this glides in pretty well, usually. There we go. Flight test, space fighter, flying well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications of future flight test planes and other planes that I have in my hangar. Thank you so much.